Here's my Lista toolbox. Then that's off of an old Blue Point roll cart. Each one of these drawers hold 450 pounds. They're rated for 450 pounds. Even the small ones. So I could even get up here, it'll support my weight. Oh. The snap-on boxes don't hold as much weight, I don't think, in the smaller drawers. Yeah, 14 drawers. I got too many wrenches. And these are just standard. I don't have as many metric. Not here, I drive a service truck for work, so a lot of the tools are on the truck. Three full-length 54-inch drawers. And if you work on diesels or heavy equipment, them long drawers are nice because you have long tools like real big pry bars and big torque wrenches, like that torque wrench. Some pliers. Hammers. Still got a lot of room in that drawer. Got some air tools in here. Drop light and some other stuff. Some cordless electrical tools. Electrical tools. Adjustable wrenches. I like these quite a bit. Nipix adjustable wrench pliers. And I like their Cobra pliers a lot. These are kind of like their Cobra pliers. I got all my Cobra pliers on the service truck though. And this right here is my favorite oil filter wrench. My snap-on oil filter strap wrench. It's got the 1/2 inch drive and the 3/8 drive. pretty nice. Stuff right here. These are for air brakes on service trucks, adjusting the slack adjusters. And this is for pulling off an 855 Cummins head or a N14 head. And this is something I made up a long time ago and I forgot what it's for. I like these Blackhawk ratcheting wrenches a lot. They're a lot thinner. You could get them in a tighter area. These older Craftsman ratcheting wrenches are pretty thin too. Now they're making them real thick like these gear wrenches. I'll never buy any of these gear wrenches. I got these as a gift, so you can't turn something down that's free, especially when it's a gift. But yeah, them Blackhawk ratcheting wrenches are the way to go. And I got some stubby ones, and I got a few more on the service truck, but a few more sets. Stubby ratcheting wrenches. I like them Blackhawk wrenches better than Snap-on ratcheting wrenches. Even the Snap-on ratcheting wrenches are thicker, but they're alright. I got my Snap-on metric set, just regular wrenches, Flank Drive Plus. They are nice. Then I got these Alden open-end ratcheting wrenches. These are nice also. Ratcheting flare nut wrenches from Easy Red. You could get them off the Mack truck. They're not always nice because it's got this area right there. Sometimes it gets in the way. But it doesn't always, and it helps out a lot in some situations. Anything special up here? No, not really, just a bunch of sockets. Another thing I like about this toolbox is it has the dividers, and the dividers lock right into place right here. You screw them down to secure them. And I just got a bunch of sets up there. I just pulled this drawer out and use it as a stair. Here's some more of them dividers. I have some sets in here. Screwdrivers. pretty much miscellaneous stuff, and screwdrivers that I couldn't fit up there I just put in there. Depth mics. Use a depth mics a lot to check for counter door for your cylinder liners on a diesel engine. That's my impact driver. This is a pick set. I'm not going to open it up right now. Here's my snap-on dial indicator set. Got my ashtray I made out of an 855 big cam piston, Cummins piston. And that's out of this is out of a V12 Cummins. 30 liter, I think. QSK 30. And I got a K19 piston here, QSK 19. A little bit of a difference in size. And that's pretty much it. It's a nice toolbox. The only negative about this box is when you pull one drawer out like that, you can't pull one of these drawers out. I think you could pull the longer. No, you can't pull the longer drawers out. You can pull the two top drawers out. Oh, I thought this drawer will come out, but yeah, you can't open two drawers at once. Well, you can. You got to pull this out like about 1/4 of an inch, and then pull the other drawer out, and then you could get two open. It's kind of a pain in the ass. That's the only drawback to this toolbox. So I think I paid $4,600 for this toolbox, and the quality's just as good as a snap-on. Seeing as each drawer will hold 450 pounds. And I don't know what you'd pay for a snap-on of this quality. $8,000, $7,000 or $8,000 in comparison to $4,600. So I got the stainless steel top, and that's pretty much it.